Another racism matter don't happen by people, and they carry now all the way to the international world. Yes, they harass one black man because they thought say the man been they walk. They say, hey, why people still get problem for this life? They say the guy been they walk out. Before you know, now so the wife of that man, and matter where reach me, they say the man whether na soldier been waiting. They say the boy been the wakana, so the wife come outside. You've been working here for too long, 15 minutes. You have to go. We not say women, we sabi people fire inside something. Now so the husband come outside. He couldn't tell the boy, say, leave this place. This is not your neighborhood, motherfucker. He couldn't shout. He say if you no go, he go carry him by himself. See harassment. My people, I say I go bring him because not be even the main thing will bring me come, but I won't make una first understand where they go before I land. So I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
Go away right now. Call the police.
Hey, they've already been called. They're just waiting. You know what? Maybe you should hang on a little longer. We'll see how it goes. Then we won't have to get the report by ourselves.
What is it you're doing here? Walking.
Then
walk.
Okay, that's what I was doing. She came out of house. Well, you've been here like 15 minutes now.
Let's go. Walk away.
Keep walking.
Walk away. I already walked away. Walk away right now. You need help?
You got this in front of me.
I'm happy to help you. I didn't hit you. There's a difference between pushing
you. You were the aggressor, buddy.
You're aggressing on the neighborhood.
Someone came running. Walk back.
You better walk away. You walk away. You're talking to my wife right now.
That's your wife?
Walk away.
I didn't do
walk
that.
away.
Your wife is
Check it out. You either walk away or I'm going to carry your ass out of here.
Dude,
what do you want to do?
You better not touch me.
Or what? What are you going to do?
As we speak now, my people, protesters don't gather for these people compound. They say the man na Mr. Jonathan, and according to Matawe Richmond, they say now a very wealthy man, now U.S. Army sergeant. They don't gather for his house. They say may he come outside though, and they say we pursue this guy. Person we just the waka pass. You say he don't call your house. I don't know whether they think say the boy wants steal. So I beg my people, I bring them again because I want make una see how the black they defend the black outside our African country. So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
I'm all in your yard, bro. I'm all on your territory at this point. Come on, we want to talk to you. Talk to us. We just want to talk. We want to understand some things. That's it. No justice, no peace. What you gonna do? You gonna stay in here every day?
Black will always be black in the eyes of white people. Black. I don't know what our color do to these people. I don't know whether, like, I don't just understand. With a smell, I be weird. Black is a color. It's not a disease. Black is not sickness. It's just a color. So I don't just understand why we say some white people too get this thing for inside their blood. No, as they shout, now come out. Why you not come out? You for come out now, come show us your U.S. Army sergeant, officer, all the titles where you get. You for come outside, come show us. Even with the corona, my people, coronavirus will happen. Why people still they feel superior? I mean, they say this corona thing, it go make some people humble. Because no, think during this corona period, not be white people they want run from that side, come our African country. Many of them even run. And I mean, they say this thing go teach them to understand. Say, you understand? All of us were the same. We feel die at any time. Anybody can go at any time. It's not they did not say black people will die first. In fact, now we even they survive past them. But see, nothing. I'm not sure say anything fit change these people's mind. I'm not sure say anything fit change these people's mind. You see one person, you go harass am. Now multitude don't come. You don't fit come outside again. Racism for this United States, my people, we don't become alarming. Before we be the thing say, this thing, okay, it's just temporary, My people, it's becoming worse. It's becoming even worse, and I don't know wetin dey cause this thing because it dey increase day by day. I no just understand, but I just dey pray. See, now why they tell una this thing every time? If you fit stay for your country, abeg stay. Seriously, stay. Before you go inside another person country. No, imagine many people for their country, they treat them as kings, queens, princesses. You enter another person country now, you can't become servant. You don't be person where you dey even harass. No be say you enter your house, go steal something. No be say you match your flower or you break your flower pot or something. You just like that. I fear women. You feel even they hear how the woman self even they shout. You've been here for too long. Go, women. Now the woman even make the man this thing aggravate. I be make us speak more English. If not because maybe the man on the normal day for go meet and no guys as soon as they talk. Oh bro, this. As the woman they shout. But I say the woman say don't threaten the husband before. Say anytime I talk, if you don't take action, divorce. We don't know. Now people, now the matter say I go bring and come on aside. Very, very important. So any other update, waiting because as soon as I watch this video now, I don't go everywhere. And now we they waiting the US people want talk about concerning this matter. Any other thing where they say they go follow, na for here una go still hear that. Whether they arrest them or whether, but as soon as I know. I'm not sure say they go even support black over their own. Very important. But anyhow, now for here, una go still get that. So share this video, make everybody know waiting will they go through in the hands of these people. Very important. And happy as they support them too is good. So I bet share them, drop in a comment for that comment section. I go reply on a one by one. And subscribe if you never subscribe so you not go meet any interesting matter like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.